Get more to our channel today is May 7th. May 7th. So what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to record
a movie.
I'm gonna
post
it between the hours of 4.
Like that.
I am putting the kids on some cartoon. It's almost 1 in the evening, and girl, I just woke up. I'm not when I was in, I'll have to explain that to you guys a little later. But I have to clean up this kitchen, and I just have pretty much 1 hour to do it. I'm gonna try to speed clean it, and I got all these dishes. It's like when you have company, they add more dishes. So I have all those dishes to wash, and I have to clean up my kitchen. Babe got to come home and take this trash out. It's just stuff everywhere. He started his job, I think it was last Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken, and he's pretty much on the go. And I also want to do a grocery haul for you guys, but right now I am about to fix the boys something to eat, and I think I'm going to fix them some of these. I'm also about to have one of these because your girl don't have energy. Like, I noticed if my kids was in here, I'll still be able to sleep. And it's like, I can tell I'm pregnant because my body is super, super, super tired. Like, it's hard to get up. It's so hard to get up. Like, that's ridiculous. But I'm about to put this stuff up, and I'll be back in a minute.
Smell the raspberry. Like it? You crinkled up your nose. I can smell it through my mask. It smells so good. Okay. And also, I put a Spider-Man toothbrush in your bag. Is that okay with you?
Oh,
do you like Spider-Man?
Yeah,
awesome. These are our new brushes.
Oh, thank God. Because I was like, he need a new toothbrush. Hopefully they give him
one. Is that cool, Spider-Man?
And this cute. Oh, yeah, you've been talking about Spider-Man lately. And look at your shoes.
Yeah, I got Spider-Man shoes on. And now he's got a Spider-Man toothbrush. Okay, I'm going to take you for a ride. Okay? You ready? Okay, let's do it. We're going to go up, and we're going to go back. Would you like to wear some sunglasses today? Would you like to watch a movie too? Awesome. Okay. All right. Now, let's slide up in the chair a little bit more so you can see your movie better. You can see it better if you have your head on the pillow. Yeah. Push me your feet. You went for another ride, didn't you? Okay. Let's bring this movie down here. Like that. And I'll show you what we have. Now, we have Secret Life of Pets, Scooby-Doo, Moana, Frozen, Finding Dory, and Zootopia. Say which one you want. Scooby-Doo? Okay. Scooby-Doo it is. Yeah. Now, let's put our sunglasses on so we don't get toothpaste in our eyes, okay? Here's my mirror, and then I'm going to just dip. No, you have to let me explain. Look, you see this? No, give me your finger. I'll do it on mine. Look, I'm barely going to touch your finger.
Alright guys, so I'm in the kitchen cooking dinner. Right now it's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 7 something. I got my green beans and turkey necks on. I have my mac and cheese with bacon bits in it. Well, bacon. That's what it said on the box. Bacon, cheddar, mac and cheese. And I have my baked chicken cooking. Do you guys see that? And the only reason it's dark on the front like that is because I have to cut these types of chicken. Like they came with the leg and thigh. They came together, so I have to cut it. So that's why it's like dark like that. It's not burnt. It's just that was the blood part. And yeah.
This one actually has master on the main, 2 up, and then we're finishing off another one in the basement, so it'll have a 4-bedroom.
Oh, okay.
4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. I think it's unlocked. Just press down here and let me. It's here. You just have to. You don't even have to.
Oh, okay.
So where's the pool? Where's the pool?
It's gonna be right there.
Oh, is it gonna be a community pool?
Yeah. Now you were telling me about the pool yesterday.
It's on the other side of that clubhouse.
Oh, okay. Now what if a house wanted a pool built? Could you do that? Or
I
this
don't
one
think
there?
they're big enough. The lots.
Right.
And you know, since you pay $295 a month, you utilize that pool. So. Yeah. Y'all been in before?
No.
Well, he was delivering a package to the sellers and came in and he said,
Yeah.
and he said, I gotta bring my family out here.
trying to see. Oh, this is the wash and dryer area. Freaking cute.
This one is $5.95. Our prices range between 5 and 6. No, I don't think anybody's gone. Well, I think I've gone over 6 because if you customize and do a lot.
He was like 5.
You're 5?
Yes. Ain't it? Okay. Babe,
Yeah, I don't know.
mine, look.
God,
You
come
got
through.
this is my sink.
Okay.
This is your sink. Okay.
Okay.
And you got the.
We'll be in the shower.
Y'all, I'm telling you, we're gonna be over here. We need to be.
I'm just trying to get everything. This is so freaking cute. He said I'm missing a toy, guys.
Scared. Come on. Come on, you mean.
It was just
This will be the den.
oh wow. The den?
Yeah.
Oh my god, so the kids. Hey, this would be like the kids area. Unless this is
Oh, sure.
This is the bedroom.
This is the bedroom, closet, and bathroom. And then that's the big den.
And how many bedrooms you said it's gonna be total?
4. And then you've got 2 up.
Wow.
How many bedrooms?
3.5.
so what is this, Josh?
Storage, she said.
Now they don't have a garage.
Yeah, the garage up front, up top.
Oh.
It's so nice.
Oh, this is gonna be a big bathroom, huh?
I was thinking, we can have a custom-made couch that's gonna go full length of the wall.
Yeah.
And put a big TV behind it. Yep.
I didn't.
Sleep over there now, stay.
It smells so good in here. Oh, I keep on forgetting they have an upstairs.
He's very active. I'm in love with
Look at Joshua just back there.
Look that, Josh. Look at this. Josh.
Just a little closet. And then you have another closet.
this. This is gonna be your room, right?
For real? Oh, yeah, I like
You
it.
got 2 closets. Then they gonna share that bathroom. It's nice. I don't care what you say. Look, eat the sink. Right, the sink.
This is so freaking cute. I'm gonna be able to hear her tickets. But like, oh my god, like, I'm trying to get everything so good. So what is, Josh? What is this? Oh, this is a big closet too. Whoa. How in the world? Now where I guess we're gonna be.
This is just a great room, so you have another couch up there.
Hold on, how many rooms this place has? It's 2 downstairs.
4 bedrooms, but you can have 5 if you make this a bedroom. This ain't no bedroom.
That's Ethan and Ryan room next to it?
Yeah. Then this room downstairs.
Okay. I'm gonna have to have a beauty room.
So this is gonna be your,
I think next to the kids, they gonna come in.
but that's gonna be your office right there.
Hey, it'd be so funny somebody looking at it. Josh is gonna say that. No, this Ethan room right here.
No, you say.
Now, I could make a wall right here, a little hallway, and put a door right here. This would be a private area instead of off like it is.
Ryan. What is this?
Watch it.
Yeah, what's that?
It's another big closet.
Or nothing but storage.
They got a lot of storage space.
Oh,
Don't slam it, sweetheart.
I'm not flying.